5 things that changed my life, my thought process, and overall me. In the recent years, I have developed some habits which made the soul in me grow. Mental growth, and in terms of how I feel about certain things and how I perceive something.
Here in this video, I'm going to share my experience of practicing 5 things in my life which actually changed my life and the way I think towards something, and that too in a very positive way. So I think this video will be really helpful for you. Now without further ado, let's get started. Having a daily money care routine. Now we have skin care routine, we have body care routine, we have hair care routine, but money care routine is really different and it is very important. It is about keeping a track of your money and your bank account, keeping an eye of every bit of your earnings and everything. It's basically about the flow from where the money is coming and where it is going, and I kind of keep a check on that like on a weekly basis at least. And आपके income का 50%, 20% and 30% ratio होना चाहिए, out of which 50% should directly go into your savings and the rest 20 and 30% combined should be into the fulfillment of your needs and wants, whatever you need currently. And जो आपके savings होंगे 50%, that needs to have there, you can just make it, you can just keep it there, or you can invest it in somewhere like stocks, or you can just keep it floating. And at this point of time, I kind of save 50% or even more, and I just put it in my bank account and I completely forget it. But I truly understand the fact that if you have a family to take care of, then this huge percentage of income save करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. But again, please save करो थोड़ा बहुत ही, and I have made a dedicated video on this as on how you can save your money in a proper way. Don't forget to check that out. I'll highly recommend that. I button पे भी है, description box में भी है. Please check that video out. Not entertaining energy vampires. Now with energy vampires, I mean to say some toxic people that we have in our lives, and I know a lot of you have such people in your lives, and these people basically suck your energy. If you are into talking terms with them, or if you are into a space with them, you'll feel highly demotivated and low on energy just because of their harsh words and attitude towards you. And earlier I had a lot of such experiences in my life because I used to entertain a lot of toxic people in my life just to please everyone and to make a balance between everyone. But yes, we need to understand this, that we're not a piece of red velvet cake that will be everyone's favorite. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है, and I feel energy is really precious for me, for everyone, and we need to put that in right things, and we just not need to let someone else drain away all our energy by their words, their attitudes, behaviors towards us. Just ghost them instead and just chop down all the connections with them. And right now I have developed that attitude of not giving a damn to them because I don't feel like. And ऐसा होता है कि अगर अपने लाइफ में ऐसे टॉक्सिक लोगों को कट डाउन करते हो तो at some point of life people start to call you unsocial, which is absolutely fine. I am unsocial, but I'll not entertain such people. Never. Regular workout. Now I cannot emphasize much on how this has changed my life. November 29 was the first thing when I jumped into this whole thing of gym and workout, and from then there's this different feeling of well-being, and I feel more relaxed, chill and comfortable, more driven towards my goal and focused. And to be very honest, this has kind of changed a lot in me, and even on the toughest days I feel driven, I feel hopeful, touch wood. And this breaks the whole process of the cycle of negative thought which follows depression. So I would highly suggest this to each and every one of you, that even a little bit of body activity is better than doing nothing. And अगर आपके पास time नहीं है to pull on a 30-minute workout session, then also start out with a 10-minute workout session, later on increase your time. तो workout करने से क्या होता है कि हमारा heart beat तेज हो जाता है, which again pumps oxygen to our brain, and that releases a lot of feel good hormones which create a beautiful environment for cell growth, the brain cell growth and interaction, and to make new connection in the brain cell, and to also develop the brain plasticity. तो growth hormones होते हैं and बहुत सारे feel good hormones होते हैं जैसे dopamine, endorphin, serotonin, that induces a feeling of pleasure, love, and I think that is very much required. And that's where I found out that this was one of the biggest life-changing decision that I've ever made. And from then I started making workout videos on my channel. तो आपको मेरे channel पे gym workout videos मिलेंगे, and right now I'm making home workout videos too, starting from full body workout to abs, booty, so you can find it all on my channel. I'll mention the link to them in the description. Planning my days ahead. I got into a habit of planning my days and weeks ahead just because of this job of content creation. I got into this beautiful habit and this experience of planning my schedule of the next day. And to be very honest, I feel super sorted. And even busy schedule वाला दिन भी एकदम easy going सा लगता है. And then there, what comes in the picture is a to-do list. And let me tell you, I mention even the smallest things in my to-do list. तो अगर आप अपना work and अपना days पहले से plan कर लेते हो तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा sorted feel करोगे. Also in your to-do list, please mention realistic time slots and achievable goals. Like if you have to finish a biology chapter, you need to spend 3 to 4 hours. And अगर आपका काम पहले हो जाता है उस time slot से, then please take rest. That is also important. Don't just directly jump into the next work. Then only you'll be able to balance out the entire work and never ever overload your days with work. In that way, you'll not be able to fix your to-do list. You'll not be able to stick on to it, and in later run, in longer run, you'll feel bored of it and आप खत्म कर दोगे ये टू डू लिस्ट वाला चीज़ पूरा. सो प्लीज़ डोंट ओवरलोड योर सेल्फ. एंड वंस अगेन आई वुड डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट यू ऑल टू प्लान योर डेज अहेड. एंड इससे आप बहुत अपार्ट होगे और लोगों से एंड यूल फील सुपर मोटिवेटेड ऑलवेज. Reading good books. To read good books was one of my resolutions for 2021, and so far I've tried my best to keep up with that, but absolutely I'm not too fast in reading books, but I'm trying my best to read it on like a daily basis every day. Not just reading books develop your vocabulary or good communication skill, but also open doors to a lot of beliefs and perspective about life, and it evokes the creative side of us and makes us imagine more, which I think is very much important in almost all the job opportunities that we have around us in the market. And reading books exposes us to new angles, new things, new life to certain things, new perspective to certain things, and it makes us understand how we can handle such different situations. Not just that, reading good content or good books आप में वो feeling of empathy भी develop करती है, which I think is very much in need in the present times. And one more thing which I think is the best quality that we kind of take from reading good books is to understand about ourselves. And अभी हम ऐसे situation में होते हैं कभी कभी कि खुद भी समझ नहीं आता कि what I am and what I love, what I want, and books kind of makes you aware about yourselves and different side of yours too. So that's pretty much about the video, and I really hope you found this helpful. Please let me know in the comments what sort of videos you want to see up next on my channel. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_, and please subscribe. I Pyaar you guys. Tata, and I'll see you in the next one.